ChatGPT is generating a response. Rate 56. ChatGPT says, "Hello everyone. I am ChatGPT, and today I will be presenting Norman and you, the blood explorers, with 20 multiple choice questions all about human blood. Norman, the blind guy with a vision, is ready to test his knowledge. Blood explorers, play along and see if you can beat him. Take a breath, get comfortable, and let us begin. Question 1. What is the main function of red blood cells in the human body? Option 1 to fight infections, Option 2 to carry oxygen to body tissues, Option 3 to help blood clot, Option 4 to remove waste through urine. Take a moment. Think it through. What do you think the answer is? Norman, what is your answer? Rate 51. 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. Rate 46. ChatGPT says, "Correct, Norman. Well done. The correct answer is Option 2. Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body using a protein called hemoglobin. This is what keeps your muscles, brain, and organs energized and alive." Score update: Norman has 1 out of 1 so far. Blood explorers, are you keeping up? Fun blood fact before we move on. Your body makes about 2 million new red blood cells every second. That is non-stop production. Now let us continue. Question 2. Which component of blood is mainly responsible for fighting infections? Option 1 red blood cells, Option 2 platelets, Option 3 white blood cells, Option 4 plasma. Take a moment. Give yourself a few seconds to think. Norman, can you get this one correct? 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, "Correct again, Norman. The correct answer is Option 3. White blood cells are the defenders of your body. They identify and attack bacteria, viruses, and other invaders to keep you healthy." Score update: Norman now has 2 out of 2. Blood explorers, are you still tied with him, or did he pull ahead? Here is a quick blood fact. There are several types of white blood cells, and each one has a special job, from swallowing germs to producing antibodies. Let us keep the momentum going. Question 3. What part of blood helps stop bleeding by forming clots? Option 1 plasma, Option 2 red blood cells, Option 3 white blood cells, Option 4 platelets. Take a few seconds to think it through. Norman, take your guess. 4. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, "That is correct, Norman. Nicely done. The correct answer is Option 4. Platelets rush to the site of an injury and stick together to form a clot, helping stop bleeding and start the healing process." Score update: Norman is a perfect 3 out of 3. Blood explorers, can you keep up with this pace? Quick fun fact. Platelets are actually tiny cell fragments, not full cells, but they play a huge role in keeping you safe. Let us move right along. Question 4. What is the liquid portion of blood called? Option 1 hemoglobin, Option 2 plasma, Option 3 platelets, Option 4 white blood cells. Take a moment. Think carefully. Norman, what is your answer? 2. ChatGPT is generating. Rate 41. ChatGPT says, "Correct, Norman. You are on a roll." The correct answer is Option 2. Plasma is the liquid part of blood. It carries water, nutrients, hormones, proteins, and waste products throughout the body. Score update: Norman has 4 out of 4. Blood explorers, are you still matching him, or is he pulling ahead? Mini blood fact. Plasma makes up a little more than half of your total blood volume. Let us continue. Question 5. Where are most blood cells produced in the human body? Option 1 the heart, Option 2 the liver, Option 3 the bone marrow, Option 4 the lungs. Take a moment. Think it through carefully. Norman, can you get this one right? 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, "Correct again, Norman. Excellent work." The correct answer is Option 3. Most blood cells are produced in the bone marrow, the soft tissue inside your bones. This is where red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets are made. Score update, Norman now has 5 out of 5. Blood explorers, are you still perfect, or did this one trip you up? Fun blood fact before we move on. Your bone marrow produces billions of new blood cells every single day to replace old ones. Now on to the next challenge. Question 6. What protein in red blood cells allows them to carry oxygen? Option 1 insulin, Option 2 hemoglobin, Option 3 keratin, Option 4 collagen. Take a few seconds. Think before answering. Norman, what is your answer? 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. You are locked in. The correct answer is Option 2. Hemoglobin is the protein inside red blood cells that binds to oxygen in the lungs and releases it to tissues all over the body. Score update, Norman now has 6 out of 6. Blood explorers, this is getting serious. Are you still perfect? Mini fun fact. Hemoglobin also gives blood its red color. Bright red blood has more oxygen, while darker red blood has less. Let us keep moving. Question 7. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Option 1 type A, Option 2 type B, Option 3 type AB, Option 4 type O negative. Take a moment. Think carefully before answering. Norman, can you nail this one? 4. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Nicely done. The correct answer is Option 4. Type O negative blood is known as the universal donor because it can be given to people of any blood type in emergency situations. Score update, Norman is now 7 out of 7. Blood explorers, is anyone still keeping a perfect score with him? Quick blood fact. Only a small percentage of people have O negative blood, which makes it especially valuable in emergencies. Let us continue. Question 8. What is the average lifespan of a red blood cell in the human body? Option 1 about 7 days, Option 2 about 30 days, Option 3 about 120 days, Option 4 about 1 year. Take a moment. Give yourself a few seconds to think. Norman, take your guess. 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct again, Norman. Very impressive. The correct answer is Option 3. Red blood cells live for about 120 days before being broken down and replaced by new ones. Score update, Norman now has 8 out of 8. Blood explorers, how are you doing so far? Mini fun fact. Your spleen helps recycle old red blood cells, saving useful parts like iron for future use. Onward we go. Question 9. Which part of the circulatory system pumps blood throughout the body? Option 1 the lungs, Option 2 the kidneys, Option 3 the brain, Option 4 the heart. Take a moment. Think it through. Norman, what is your answer? 4. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. You are unstoppable. The correct answer is Option 4. The heart acts as a powerful pump, pushing blood through arteries and veins to deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Score update, Norman now has 9 out of 9. Blood explorers, can anyone still say they are tied with him? Quick fun fact. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day, moving thousands of liters of blood. Let us keep going. Question 10. Which blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Option 1 veins, Option 2 capillaries, Option 3 arteries, Option 4 lymph vessels. Take a moment. Think carefully. Norman, can you get this one right? 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct again, Norman. You are on fire. The correct answer is Option 3. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, usually oxygen-rich blood, to the rest of the body. Veins, in contrast, bring blood back to the heart. Score update, Norman now has 10 out of 10. Blood explorers, you are halfway through. Can you still keep pace with Norman? Mini fun fact. The largest artery in your body is the aorta, which comes directly out of the heart and branches into smaller arteries. Let us move on. Question 11. Which type of blood cell helps with clotting? Option 1 red blood cells, option 2 white blood cells, option 3 platelets, option 4 plasma. Take a few seconds to think. Norman, what is your answer? ChatGPT correct. The artery, vein, score, blood, mini, the large into. Let us. Question 11. Which type of blood cell helps with clotting? Option 1. Red blood cells. Option 2. White blood cell. Option 3. Platelets. Option 4. Plasma. Click. 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct again, Norman. Excellent work. The correct answer is option 3. Platelets are the tiny cell fragments that rush to injuries to form clots and stop bleeding. They are essential for healing cuts and wounds. Score update, Norman now has 11 out of 11. Blood explorers, are you keeping up, or has Norman pulled ahead? Fun blood fact. A platelet only lives about 7 to 10 days, but it works hard in that short time to keep you safe. Let us continue. Question 12. What percentage of blood is made up of plasma? Option 1 about 10%, option 2 about 25%, option 3 about 55%, option 4 about 75%. Take a moment to think it through. Norman, can you answer this one? 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, not quite, Norman. Good try. The correct answer is option 3. Plasma makes up about 55% of your blood. It is the yellowish liquid that carries nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. Score update, Norman has 11 out of 12. Blood explorers, did you get this one right? Quick fun fact. Plasma is about 90% water, making it essential for keeping your blood fluid and transporting substances. Let us move on. Question 13. Which blood type is considered the universal recipient? Option 1 type A, option 2 type B, option 3 type AB, option 4 type O. Take a moment to think. Norman, what is your answer? 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Well done. The correct answer is option 3. Type of blood is called the universal recipient because people with this blood type can receive red blood cells from any other blood type without problems. Score update, Norman now has 12 out of 13. Blood explorers, are you still keeping pace with him? Mini fun fact. Type AB is the rarest blood type, found in only a small percentage of the population. Let us continue. Question 14. Which of the following is a main function of plasma? Option 1 carrying oxygen, option 2 transporting nutrients and hormones, option 3 fighting infections, option 4 forming blood clots. Take a moment. Think carefully. Norman, can you get this one correct? 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. You got it. The correct answer is option 2. Plasma transports nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. It also helps maintain blood pressure and carries proteins that are essential for clotting and immunity. Score update, Norman now has 13 out of 14. Blood explorers, are you still keeping up with Norman's streak? Fun blood fact. Plasma is also used in medical treatments, like for people with clotting disorders or immune deficiencies. Let us move on. Question 15. Which blood component contains hemoglobin? Option 1 white blood cells, option 2 platelets, option 3 red blood cells, option 4 plasma. Take a few seconds. Think it through. Norman, what is your answer? 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct again, Norman. You are on a serious roll. The correct answer is option 3. Hemoglobin is found in red blood cells and is responsible for carrying oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body and bringing carbon dioxide back to the lungs to be expelled. Score update: Norman now has 14 out of 15. Blood explorers, are you still matching him, or has he pulled ahead? Mini fun fact: each red blood cell contains about 270 million hemoglobin molecules. That is a lot of oxygen carriers working for you. Let us continue. Question 16: which type of white blood cell produces antibodies? Option 1 neutrophils, Option 2 B cells, Option 3 platelets, Option 4 red blood cells. Take a moment to think carefully. Norman, what is your answer? 1. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, not quite, Norman. Good effort. The correct answer is Option 2. B cells are a type of white blood cell that produces antibodies. These antibodies help identify and neutralize bacteria, viruses, and other harmful invaders. Score update: Norman now has 14 out of 16. Blood explorers, did you get this one right? Quick fun fact: each B cell is specific to one particular pathogen, making your immune system highly precise. Let us move on. Question 17: which part of blood carries hormones throughout the body? Option 1 red blood cells, Option 2 white blood cells, Option 3 plasma, Option 4 platelets. Take a few seconds. Think carefully. Norman, can you answer this one? 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Well done. The correct answer is Option 3. Plasma carries hormones, nutrients, and waste products throughout the body, acting like a delivery system for essential signals and materials. Score update: Norman now has 15 out of 17. Blood explorers, are you keeping pace with him? Mini blood fact: hormones travel in plasma to reach organs and tissues, telling them how to grow, metabolize, or react to changes in the body. Let us continue. Question 18: which blood type is often called the universal donor for red blood cells? Option 1 type A positive, Option 2 type O negative, Option 3 type A positive, Option 4 type B negative. Take a moment to think carefully. Norman, what is your answer? 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Excellent choice. The correct answer is Option 2. Type O negative blood is called the universal donor because it can be safely given to people of any blood type in emergency situations. Score update: Norman now has 16 out of 18. Blood explorers, are you still keeping up, or has Norman pulled ahead? Quick fun fact: only about 7% of the world's population has O negative blood, making it rare and highly valuable for transfusions. Let us move on. Question 19: which of the following is not a function of blood? Option 1 transporting oxygen and nutrients, Option 2 fighting infections, Option 3 regulating body temperature, Option 4 producing digestive enzymes. Take a few seconds to think carefully. Norman, what is your answer? 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, not quite, Norman. Good try. The correct answer is Option 4. Blood does not produce digestive enzymes. Its main functions include transporting oxygen and nutrients, fighting infections, and helping regulate body temperature. Score update: Norman now has 16 out of 19. Blood explorers, did you catch that one? Mini fun fact: blood helps keep your body temperature stable by moving heat from the core to the skin when you are hot and conserving heat when you are cold. Let us move on to the final question. Question 20: what is the normal pH range of human blood? Option 1 4.5 to 5.5, Option 2 6.0 to 6.5, Option 3 7.35 to 7.45, Option 4 8.0 to 8.5. Take a moment. Think carefully. Norman, can you finish strong with this one? 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, not quite, Norman. That was close. The correct answer is option 3. The normal pH of human blood ranges from 7.35 to 7.45, which is slightly basic. Maintaining this pH is essential for proper enzyme function and overall body health. Final score: Norman scored 16 out of 20. Blood explorers, how did you do? Did you beat Norman, or are you close behind? Thank you all for joining this session. If you enjoyed it, leave your score in the comments and do not forget to subscribe for more trivia challenges with Norman, the blind guy with a vision. Next time, we will explore 20 multiple choice questions about the human body. Can you handle it? Screen sharing